Welcome back. I wanted to do an update on my 30-day use of Fedora Linux. It's been about just over 3 weeks now. I've been gaming, creating content, like continuing to play through Planet Crafter. And as you can see here, I've been losing a lot of time in Arc Raiders. So far, Fedora has been running good with video editing of a podcast that uses a lot of RAM, which actually ended up exposing that I was having an issue with my RAM in my desktop. So I ended up running memtest 86 plus, found errors from the RAM, ended up replacing them, which kind of sucked because RAM has doubled in price. What would have costed me $60 2 months ago now costed me over $180 now. So, and with that, it actually showed my system stability had actually been an issue over the past few months. So I probably have had failing RAM for a while, but I did replace the memory with, it's literally the same RAM that I had before. It's the G.Skill Ripjaws. 3600 megahertz, and now my system is extremely stable, other than a few other things that still happen, but that's pertaining to DaVinci Resolve occasionally crashing. With gaming with my kid, we've actually been playing Arc Raiders a lot. The performance has been really good. My other gaming is mainly with single player games. Some of them do have co-op play, like the Planet Crafter is actually a game I'm actually playing right now, and I'm probably going to continue playing, but I might start a new playthrough actually of another game. And I have been testing Proton versions with Proton Plus, and I have found if I use Proton CACHYOS under Fedora, I get pretty much within 1 frame a second performance, similar performance, even 1% lows of actual CACHYOS using Proton CACHYOS under that distribution. So you can run Proton CACHYOS under Fedora, and you can install that via Proton Plus or Qt Proton Up, which is something I used to use. And your performance is going to be very similar to CACHYOS when doing that, because the Proton CACHYOS is compiled against your system hardware, like your CPU architecture and stuff. So, to be honest, will I continue using Fedora? The short answer is yes. I am thinking about keeping Fedora as my main distribution because Fedora is actually proven to be extremely stable, where with Arch-based distros, and even if I ever boot into CACHYOS, for some reason it takes my computer longer to shut down, where in Fedora, when I tell it to shut down, it just shuts down. I will be doing some distro testing though, and some reviews of distributions here on the channel, and possibly some in-depth detailed tutorials for modding games here on Linux. With the development of Nexus Mods app getting more and more support, I actually look forward to testing it with Elder Scrolls Skyrim and possibly modding some older Bethesda games like Fallout 3, Fallout New Vegas, games I haven't really played through all the way, but I would like to mod those games before playing through them. But if there's anything you'd like me to check out, put it down in the comments below, and I will go ahead and make an effort to do videos to help anybody with any issues they may be having. But like, subscribe, comment below, share the video, and I will catch you in the next video. Thank you. Later.